Today I'm going to be talking about this Naked Urban Decay Cherry palette, and I'm going to be doing makeup using this palette. So if you want to see how I do my makeup using this palette, then keep watching. This is such a beautiful palette. These are the colours. It is amazing. It looks so beautiful. Look how luscious and cherry-like these colours are. And I think the packaging is so beautiful. It just looks so luxurious, and I'm so excited to show you what this looks like. This little baby kitten. She's purring. To begin with, we're first going in with Hot Spot, and we're going to be using our fluffy brush and using the small end of the brush. And we're going to be putting these in the inner corners of our eyes. And I'm also putting it on my eyelid to give it a base for that eyeshadow. And then I'm going to be using Sparkling Dust Inglot Illuminator Face, and I'm going to be putting this on the inner corners of my eye. Next I'm going in with Feels, and I'm going to be putting this on my eyelid. And next I'm going in with Bing on a smaller brush, and I'm going to be putting this on my crease. And I have a fluffy brush to blend it all out. Next I'm going in with Devilish, and I'm going to be putting this on the outer of my eyelid and just working my way up, so do as you see. Then blending that all out again. Then I'm going in with Young Love, and I'm going to be putting this on the center of my eyelid. Now I'm going in with Privacy on a slanted brush like this, and putting this underneath my eye. Now I'm using Bing on a smaller brush, and I'm just going to go over Privacy with this. Now I'm going to blend it all out. Now I'm using Urban Decay Waterproof Eye Pen, Perversion is this, and I'm going to do my liquid eyeliner, my cat eye. And now I'm using mascara. And now I'm using Eyeliner, and these are eyelashes, and this is 155. I'm just going to put my eyelashes on. And last but not least, I'm using Collection, and this is Blissberry, and it's a lipstick. And now I'm going to be putting this over my lips. And yes, this is the finished look. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give me a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. And also remember to subscribe for weekly videos every single Thursday because I upload every single week. And click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time I upload a YouTube video. So yes, thank you for watching guys. I love you. Bye!